Okay, now we're all left to do is make the invoice add itself up. So the first thing we're going to do is go into this lookup, the product lookup. And so once something is selected, this will update two different fields, the price and the units field, from whatever product was selected. Now with this total here, if we pick one with a prefix pink subform, then it actually gives us the total of the whole column, so we don't have to add things up individually. So we do the same with the tax one, except we'll just times it by 0.01 just so that we get a 10% tax. Okay, and the grand total just needs to be the two bottom ones, the total and the tax added up. Right, now let's see if it works. Okay. Customer. Alright, that's updated nicely. And if we change the units, you can see everything else is changing there as well. So there we go. Pretty easy really. Now we need to do some reports.